Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your network and console state now. Run a speed test. If under 25 Mbps, prioritize faster link or wired Ethernet because bandwidth affects latency and packet loss. Once done, switch the Xbox to 5 GHz Wi-Fi or plug in Ethernet to avoid interference. Make sure system and game updates are installed. Updates often include netcode and performance fixes. Also, clear storage so background processes don't stutter gameplay. These first actions remove the most common bottlenecks quickly. Once your connection and updates are set, dive into optimization. Configure router co-s to prioritize your Xbox's IP or MAC. This reduces lag when someone else streams video. On the console, choose performance mode or lower in-game graphics settings to maintain steady 60 or capped 30 FPS. Consistent frames reduce perceived lag. Make sure to turn off background apps, voice chat overlays, and automatic downloads because they consume CPU, I/O, and bandwidth. These middle steps balance resources so gameplay stays responsive. To finish, perform a clean reboot sequence. Modem, router, then Xbox. Wait about 30 seconds between each. This clears DNS and routing issues. Then check Xbox network statistics for latency, packet loss, and NAT type. These numbers tell you whether lag is local or provider-related. If packet loss or high ping persists, test the console on a different network to isolate the issue. And if all else fails, contact your ISP about routing or consider a faster plan. Sometimes infrastructure, not settings, causes lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.